Naging teammate si Justin Brown sa Alat Pilipinas. Pero he didn't play because of the pandemic. But I played with Des Wells and Chris Macolo. And parehas, Ed Balkman also. Pero nabilib talaga ako kay Des Wells. He's so explosive. He's really good in the open court. And he's unstoppable. I really love watching him play. Play both sides of the court. And I think Lebron is for me. In my opinion, is the best endpoint that I've ever played with.